The Innovative Digital Education and Skills project is funded by the European Commission to develop a training course to improve the digital skills and competences of teachers right across Europe and beyond.
Being part of the Ideas project has given us an opportunity to develop learning content. So we've surveyed a range of staff looking at what they perceive to be their digital skills. And from that, we've been able then to create a sort of benchmark in terms of what are the competences, the core competences that a certain profile of staff need in order to operate effectively in their role as educators.
So Forth Valley College, in partnership with our college partners CERC, UAB and Smart Learning and others, have been working very closely in collaboration around our digital skills platforms and digital skills support and training for staff across Europe. Forth Valley College have really collaborated and reflected on a lot of our own experience that we've been doing with a digital skills framework and baselines for staff.
We are technical advisors on the social media development, that is the YouTube channel, that is the community of practice on LinkedIn, and we are also pedagogical advisors on the emerging technologies module that will be part of the Ideas project.
Ideas is about digital skills for digital teachers. So in the future, teachers need to not only be good at the subject matter and the pedagogical sides, but also at the technology involved in teaching.
The Ideas project has been a challenge for us at Universidade Aberta. We are one of the partners, and we are trying to innovate in some way the digital skills and the digital tools that we can use to build up competences for teachers. And our work has been so far concerned with literature review, also a baseline survey to gather information data about the needs for the development of resources and material. And now we are also working on a community of practice and see how we can develop and create some impact on that community of practice. So that's about it for now.